Hey everybody, my name is Josh with Dara, and today I'm going to be going over my kit that I use and some of my storage solutions that I also use for all my stuff. So the next thing I have in my box will probably be my Ear Pro. So I have two sets of Ear Pro. They're both MSA Sordins. One is a comms version. This is a dual comm or dual lead comms version. This is no comms. I carry two because two is one is none. I like the Sordins. They're a little less expensive than like the Peltors and things like that, but I feel like they work just as well. And I use this one for when I'm running comms. I'll show you a little bit of the comm stuff later, but I like these as well. Off to the side here, my comm system is a Motorola XTS 5000. And I have a push-to-talk here. The push-to-talk is from Disco32. They make a lot of good stuff. And then my antenna is the Disco32 Cattail antenna. It's a flexible antenna. I route it through my plate carrier. Now the SWR on this antenna, if you know what SWR means, you know the radio stuff. It's not as good as like an extendable whip. I've got extendable whips. And if you guys want to, I'll do a whole nother video on all my comm stuff. I've got a whole case full of comms and electronic stuff I can bring. If you want to hear more about that or want me to do some radio videos, put some in the comments. Say you want to see the nerd stuff.